In this video, we'll show you exactly how to send payment on IsolatedStudy.in, step by step. Whether you're in India or outside, this guide will help you complete your subscription smoothly and securely. First, click on the upgrade button in your dashboard. Now choose the plan you want, either short-term or long-term. After selecting your plan, click Pay Now. If you're from India, proceed with UPI, Paytm, or any local payment method. If you're from outside India, select PayPal or Binance for international payment. We're using the QR code option to make the payment. We're scanning the code and paying Russ $1,000 for the long-term basic plan, which gives 3 months of access with full features and tokens included. After completing the payment, take a screenshot of the transaction. Now send that screenshot along with your details in this format. Email shivagmail.com. Plan long-term basic, send this to us on WhatsApp at plan 9173026936676 or email it to IsolatedInfo@IsolatedStudy.com. This will help us verify your payment and activate your plan quickly. Payment process completed. Your request has been received and is being verified. Activation usually happens within a few minutes. You're now one step closer to exploring 36+ powerful AI tools on IsolatedStudy.in, including ChatGPT 4.5, Claude, Gemini, image creation, document support, and more. Need help? Contact us anytime. WhatsApp, +91 730 26936676. Email IsolatedInfo@IsolatedStudy.com. Still confused? Just drop us a message. We'll guide you instantly. Thank you for choosing Isolated Study, your smartest study partner.